See to it that you discuss this in gatherings, whether you go to school. See to put on the school notice board, on the colleges, on the universities. See to it that you street plays, that you make it more common. As much as awareness as possible to expose the double standard of the Western world, to expose that the double standards of USA, what they are doing in the war between Russia and Ukraine and what they are doing between the war with Israel and Palestinians. The double standard should be exposed. Point number 5, see to it that you take part in a protest against the atrocities done by the Zionist, the Israeli forces against the Palestinians. See to it that you gather in large numbers in your area, in your city, in your country, and protest should be peaceful. It should not be violent, you should not destroy properties, should not touch up vehicles. It should be a peaceful protest so that the larger the numbers are, the more aware will the people know. And alhamdulillah, summa alhamdulillah, never in the history of the world ever has there been such large support for the Palestinians. In the last 100 years, never ever has there been so much support by the non-Muslims for the Palestinian cause. And you can find non-Muslims waving flags and they are supporting, saying that Palestine should be freed and stop the atrocity, stop the genocide. You should take part in protest.